Okay guys, in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to add a base into our assembly drawing and create a part inside an assembly drawing. Okay, so what we have to do, instead of placing a component, we're going to create a component. So we click on create a component. I'm going to name this base or top, so I'll just name this top, and we're going to add it into a metric, and we're going to go down to standard part. Click OK, and we're going to save it into our place where we normally save it, so I'm going to save it into a USB. Okay, and it's called top down here, and I'm just going to click save. Now what we need to do is just click OK, so it's going to save it, and now we need to select a face that we're going to draw onto. So we can pick this face or this face. I'm just going to click here, and we need to then create a 2D sketch. So I'm going to select here so we can start drawing. Now I'm going to teach you a little trick. Okay, so we're going to draw a rectangle for the base, so we'll just draw a rectangle here and click OK, and we'll finish that sketch off. Now you'll notice that I haven't actually constrained it in any way here yet. I've only just drawn a base shape, so I'm going to extrude it out. Extrude it out to 3mm extrusion. Click OK. Now what we can actually do, we can do a little trick here where we can go into our assembly tree, and I can actually click on this, and actually I want to make it adaptive. Okay, so that means we can stretch it out using constraints to actually the size, so we don't need to measure it out at all. So I'm just going to click return now. Okay, and first off we can actually constrain, let's constrain that top edge here to this top edge over here, and we'll mate it up. Next one we want to do is we'll constrain this edge and this edge, apply that. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll rotate it around. Okay, just getting in here. Let's select this edge here and this edge here and apply that. Okay, so it's automatically stretched to the size we want here. And the last face here, let's select an edge. I might just pick this face actually, so I'll select this face here, and let's go around and we'll select this face here, and we'll mate that up by clicking apply. So we've actually created the base there now. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to click cancel, and I'll select the part, and I'm going to change the color into some wood grain. Let's select an oak color, and I'll click on the upload. Now what we need to do, we need to make that unadaptive so it fits, so we don't need it to be adaptive anymore, so we'll just undo that. So now that shape is now saved. What we do then, we can actually go up and click the save button, and we want to save everything, so we want to save our top, so we say yes to all and OK, so it all saves in the one spot.